This is a rotational kinematics problem. It states a jet a jet engine starting from rest is accelerated at a rate of 5 radians per second squared. After 15 seconds, what is the angular velocity of the engine? And another part of the problem says, what is the total angular displacement over this period of time? Well, for starters, with the problem, I underlined everything that would be needed and what I was checking for just to keep everything in order. And angular velocity is what is needed. So, to find angular velocity, I use this formula, which is omega final and then omega initial plus sign acceleration times time. So I got all of my numbers in order so that I can plug it into the equation and find the final angular velocity. So the initial speed was 0 since it was starting from rest. 5 was acceleration. 15 if I had the time. So that gives me 75 radians per second for the angular velocity final, or omega final. Then to find the displacement, I use this formula, which is omega initial times time plus 1/2 times acceleration times time squared, which gives me 0 times 15 plus 1/2 times 5 times 15 squared, which equals up to 563 radians as the final displacement, angular displacement.